You go on there. Wow, Fire Chief.
Fire Chief Kit, yeah.
Goodness, that's amazing.
He's had it for ages, just not actually bothered to get him out. Doing really well, Kit. No, it's great going downhill. Try not to steer into the fence.
Now we're back on nearly flat again. Yeah. See? Wasn't so bad, was it?
What's sticking your tongue out and licking that foamy bit? It makes you look very special. Christmas cakes.
Don't say it on the roof of his nose.
You're going to take his nose off?
Don't say it on the roof of his nose.
I won't. You can eat him as much as you like, darling. That's what he's there for. That polar bear's got no nose.
What do you do?
Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave ho!
My helmet is cool.
Your helmet is cool.
It's cool. Okay. Let's keep moving.
Just had to stop to tell you that, everyone.
Brakes
Pardon?
don't help go
No, the
moving.
brakes stop it. You got to use the pedals. And push really hard. Whoop, nearly ran into a lamppost. I nearly ran into a lamppost.